All right, y'all, just a heads up, and I have a full video on this, but Dollar Tree is now $1.75 Tree. I wish they just stopped. Like, now we at $1.75. Come on, bro. Like, I'm a vent to y'all in the video, but this is ridiculous. Who does that, right? First it was $1, then $1.25, then $1.50, now $1.75. Not to mention the stuff in here that's 2 something, 3 something, and $5. Like, we're going to talk about it, but they need to just get it together. This is ridiculous. And I guess they're starting to move stuff and put the $1.75 stickers in the $1.75 shelf, but I'm over it. So I showed y'all the video that the Dollar Tree is now $1.75. What are they doing? Like, I don't understand why they mess with stuff anyways, because they're just turning into, y'all remember when we had deals? I don't know if y'all had a deals. We also had a Dollar Tree Plus or something like that. And it's like, why do y'all keep messing with stuff? You should have just left it alone. Where our deals is where they put the Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree went to the $1.25 Tree. Then it went to the $1.50 Tree. Now it's the $1.75 Tree. And now it's the $5, $3.75 Tree. I will never understand life, honestly. I won't. I feel like they always messing with something. They always doing something, and it's totally unnecessary. I don't know if it's to wean you in. Like, paying $1 for stuff was the craze. Like, who can believe it? Like, paying $1 for stuff, man, I was in there every other day, baby. But now that it's like $1.75 and up, I don't need to go there all the time. You may need to go there for something that you feel like you're getting a deal on. But in actuality, some of that stuff you can still get at Walmart for less. They have a travel section. They have a little dollar stuff, and even Target or Dollar General. I've even found stuff at Dollar General that's still $1. That's $1.50 or $1.75 in the Dollar Tree. So now I don't go as much. I may go in the Dollar Tree like once a week, where I was going, I promise y'all, I was addicted. I was going like every other day to different Dollar Trees, and y'all know that. But it's unnecessary now. Like, now it's like I really got to figure out if it's the price, because at $1.50, 2 things already took me to $3. $1.25 was bad enough, because 4 things already took me up to $5. Now y'all at $1.75. Nah, I got to really want it, bro. I got to like, let's see what's still worth $1.75. Y'all let me know. Like, what do I get from the Dollar Tree? Okay, let's see. I get the pack of straws. That big old pack of straws. Y'all know I love me a straw. Is that still worth $1.75? I feel like the cleaning stuff may still be worth $1.75. I get my Comet. I get my Awesome. Some dryer sheets if I don't get them from Dollar General. Is that still worth $1.75, y'all? What about aluminum foil? You don't get a lot on the aluminum foil roll as it is. I love the aluminum sheets. Are those still worth $1.75? Now, let's see the lashes. I don't know. They have one particular lash that I love, and every time I go in there, I empty the shelf. But I can also do Shein or AliExpress and get like 5 pairs of lashes for $1.75. Where at the Dollar Tree, I'm getting 1 pair of lashes for $1.75. What is still worth $1.75 at the Dollar Tree? Body wash. I don't get body wash from the Dollar Tree. But I do grab some of their bar soap when they have Dove and stuff. So Irish Spring, is that still worth $1.75, y'all? Or is it cheaper at Walmart for a bar of soap or a 3-pack of soap? Because you only get 1 bar of Dove. It used to be like 2-3 bars of Doves, but now you get 1 bar of Dove for $1.75. I normally get a can of Pepsi from there. That's still worth $1.75, because the bottle of Pepsi's is running you close to $3 everywhere now, the 20 ounce. What do I get from the Dollar Tree? I get the seasonal stuff. That may be still worth $1.75, treading lightly. All right. Balloons. Balloons are still good from there, because there's still more than that at Walmart and Publix and other places. So the balloons might be still worth. And I think the balloons are $2 now, or $2.25 or something like that. Because the last time I went to get a balloon, I don't even think it was in the dollar price range. Y'all let me know what's still worth $1.75 at the Dollar Tree.